Hang on. What?
What is that? What is that? What is it? That's for me?
Will you marry me?
No way! Nuh-uh.
Just put it on, let's get out.
This is a lie. This is for me? When did you get it?
I picked it up today.
No, you didn't.
I've been working on it for a while.
No, you haven't. Shut up. Ah! I hate you. You're so mean.
Say GoPro.
GoPro. Oh my God.
GoPro.
GoPro. GoPro engagement.
You want your phone? What's wrong?
I didn't know you were going to invite anybody.
Look.
Well, I hadn't even really cried yet.